want to eat kimchi jjigae. I don't have all the ingredients that I need, but I'm still gonna try my best and work with what I have. I'll try my best. So, 하자. First, I am going to prepare all the ingredients and then we'll go from there. Here is the meat, my 고기. 그리고 마늘. I have the garlic. I don't have the scallions. I'm going to use the regular onion. 같이. 그리고 then I have, this is the kimchi that I have. So now I have to strain the kimchi so that I get the juice separate, and then I have to cut kimchi into bite-sized pieces. So I'm gonna do that now. 한 번 더. 아 진짜 너무 배고파. 좀 먹을게. 와 너무 맛있다. So now I have the juice. 그리고 I'm going to cut the kimchi into bite-sized pieces. Transfer it here. And these are the other ones. I need all of these ingredients, and well, I have kimchi and I have pork belly. I don't have gochugaru. I have minced garlic. Cooking oil I also have. Then juice from kimchi. I don't have tofu. The scallions I replaced with the regular onion, and then of course salt and pepper I also have soy sauce, but I don't have soup soy sauce, so I'm just going to kind of cook. Oh, how do you say? What's the word? I'm just gonna go with it and try my best to make it taste the best I can. So, 시작. Okay. Then some pork belly and the garlic. I'm just gonna mix it and cook over a medium-high heat so that the kimchi gets softened and the pork gets cooked. 냄새 너무 좋아요. 너무 맛있는 냄새요. 맛있다. I also need to cook rice, so I'm going to do that now. I'm just going to start by boiling the water and putting salt in it. 이 정도. I'm going to add the juice from the kimchi. Mix it slightly. Now I'm going to just let it simmer, and I think that's about it for this without few ingredients kimchi jjigae. I also have my rice cooking right here, and it should be right well done when I'm going to turn off the heat on kimchi jjigae. 아 너무 맛있게 보여. 아무튼 this kimchi jjigae that I am making, it's a very simple version of it, and I didn't even put tofu in it because I don't have it, and I don't have gochugaru at home, so all these very basic ingredients that go into the original kimchi jjigae, I don't have them at home, but I did made the version with ingredients that I have, so I just wanted to explain that. And the kimchi jjigae that I'm making is based on this recipe. And this is my finished result, kimchi jjigae with pap. I really like the end result. It tastes very good, at least to me. It smells very good, and I am so excited to eat it now. So 잘 먹겠습니다. 고기가 너무 부드러워요. 맛있어. 김치 찌개. The original kimchi jjigae taste I don't know, so I'm really excited to eat it one day. 너무 기대돼요. Until then, I'm just gonna have to go with the kimchi jjigae that I can make at home. 너무 맛있다. 행복해요. 끝. I decided to have a little dessert. So this is the mochi ice cream I bought in store this week. So I ate ice cream mochi I already ate, but not this one. So I'm so excited to taste it. It's the cheesecake flavor and strawberry. Oh, so typical. 뭐야, 왜 못해요? 뭐야? 오케이. 귀엽다. 귀여워. 그래서 Let's taste it. 와, 너무 차가워. 어떡해? I just ate kimchi jjigae and it was warm and hot, and now eating this, my teeth are sensitive. So okay, I'm gonna take a smaller bite. 맛있어. My teeth are so sensitive. 여기지. 오늘 여기까지. 안녕.